Well, hey there, all you lovelies, looking all fine and dandy and witching around with Leslie here. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. So we're gonna move on because I'm just looking so great here. So in case you haven't been able to tell, today's theme is zombies. This is the Ruby May Cosmetics Pop Zombie palette, and I did swatch it already. So we have virus, brains, corpse, pus, pop, plague, undead, necro, and ghoul. I'm really liking this color story here. The colors, I've never really worked with any like this, but I'm trying to get into the whole brighter color thing on the eyes and stuff. So this is perfect, actually. So first off, it is on the Ruby May Cosmetics website for $28.99. I bargained the heck out of it and got it for $14. So it's on the Ruby May Cosmetics website where they're like half off or whatever. They have pretty good sales usually. But yes, I'm very happy with my purchase, my $14. Now just to see how well it wears on the eyes. Let's see if the ultimate and last test. So we've got virus, brains, corpse, plague. Ooh, that green right there. The plague. I'm liking plague. Corpse is really pretty too. Yeah, I'm liking those shimmers. Okay, let me wipe my hand off. Okay, pretty good. So then we're going in with pop, pus, undead, necro, and we'll thumb the ghoul. So now we've got, wow, okay. Well, okay. That one didn't really show up on my tattoo. It's so dark. My tattoo's so dark. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, I just couldn't see it in the camera, but I can see very vivid. Look at that. And they're not chalk. I mean, it's like they're a cross between chalky and powdery, but maybe a little more on the chalky side. But there really wasn't that much fallout, but you can see how the chunks on some of them. So let's just like jump in here and do a look already and see if they blend smoothly and whatnot, or how they apply with the brush. Let's do this. Wow, that's a little light for me, but considering it's a light color, I mean, obviously it's a light color and it's like a pastelish color. It's pretty pigmented. I was not expecting it to be this pigmented. Oh my god, and it goes on so easy. Like, it goes on so easy. And like there's some fallout. It goes on so easy, and there's some fallout, but it's not like it's not that much considering. Wow. That's crazy. This is a crazy palette. Let's go with a crazy look. I know everyone has techniques. Well, work smarter, not harder. Corpse. And just dust it over here just for the fun of it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Shimmery, sparkly zombie. Oh yeah. This is what this palette was made for. Oh my geez. I knew I needed to wear this shade Corpse somewhere, somehow. I knew I had to incorporate it in there. Ooh, could be some little highlighter. Uh-huh. I feel like next level highlighted. Ooh. So this blood stuff is kind of sticky. I don't know if it's gonna get on my brush or not. I don't know, but I'm loving this corpse color. I somehow knew this was going to be my favorite color in the palette, and I don't even like colors like this, like goldy colors. I am like knocked off my ass with this. Like, I want this all over my face. Oh my god, this is fabulous. It's giving like my face like this green tint, like decay. Oh my god, I love this color. my god, this just took me like next level zombie. Like, I feel like a glam zombie. So, yeah, let's finish this look because this palette got me in a good mood. Oh my god, I'm loving this palette. What did you do to me, Ruby May? Like, these aren't even my type of colors, and I freaking love this palette. Sorry, I'm a little excited. So next, let's see, what should we go in with? Oh, that's too pinky for me. Yeah. So it's either pop. Do we have to put some corpse in there maybe? Yeah, I think corpse would probably set off the inner eye without, I am really liking this palette. In the corner. I think we have to put a little bit of the hot pink because you can't really see that pink. Oh, there we go. Well, here's the finished look. So this palette like made me so happy. It made me really happy. It goes for $28.99 online on the website. I got it for cheaper, but those aren't typical results of, you know. But I must say that this palette is worth the $28.99. Normally I wouldn't pay that much, but for knowing the quality of this now, I would. If I couldn't find a sale, I would buy it. So yeah, I'll drop that link down below so y'all can check them out. But I'm very happy with this palette. I'm very satisfied. It just made me, I don't know, I love it. But now I had no intentions of buying another one. But now I must. Now I have to get one that actually has colors that I like something bold. Yeah. Gonna have to own a bold one, but I'm very satisfied with this palette, and I think if you like these type of colors, I think you would too. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Rawr.